What's going on, everybody? So, sorry about the train in the background. I'm not sure if y'all can hear it or not, but I wanted to talk about something that's getting very popular again, and that's credit sweeps. But the way they're wording it now is a legal credit sweep. Well, there's nothing legal about a credit sweep. Um, the Ask Kristen lady is a big advocate in um, legal credit sweeps, which, by the way, is just a term to get you to sign up. You know, basically saying we found a legal way to knock all these items out real fast, and just a sales tactic. That's all. So be careful when you sign up for these companies, especially if they say credit sweep. Period. I don't care if they say credit sweep, a legal credit sweep, or legal credit sweep. They're all the same. They're all illegal. You can't do a credit sweep. I know it's Sunday. I normally don't do videos on Sunday, but I've been on YouTube this morning and I've seen a lot of videos, especially the Ask Kristen lady, talking about how legal credit sweeps are a thing. They're not a thing. They're really not. And I am going to work on a video tomorrow about the new pre-litigation credit repair. I've just been so backed up with new signups, I haven't had time to make a video. But yeah, y'all just be careful with who you sign up with. Ask them what method they use, whether it be Metro 2, factual disputing, consumer laws, and now even pre-litigation. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.